Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create broken glass effect using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed InShot application on your mobile phone, and then you're going to create new project. So you can click on video and then select new, and you can choose the video that you want to edit. And for me, I'm just going to use a video from the InShot material or InShot library. I'm going to choose this video, for example, and I'm going to click on this check mark to import the video. And wait guys, let me remove the watermark. Okay, done. And I'm going to add tags to this video. I'm just going to add broken glass like this. And wait, let me change the text. I'm going to remove the background and I'm going to change the font. I'm going to select this font guys. Alright, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, like this, and I'm going to export the video. Okay, hold on. Alright, the video has been already exported, and then I'm going to create new project. I'm going to select new project and we can import the video we have just exported. And I'm going to add effect. We can go to the effect menu and select effect, and then you can choose the glass effect and choose shatter. Okay, that you can customize the value right here. Click on the check mark, and then I'm going to add flutter effect as well. Go back to the effect, and then you can choose wait, I'm still looking for the flutter effect. Where is it? Go to the shake, I think. Okay, you can go to the shake category and choose flutter like this, and I'm going to cut the effect. Alright, and I'm going to add broken glass sound effect. We can go to audio, select effect, and then I'm going to choose smash glass. Okay, this one. And wait, let me volume up my video. And I'm going to play it, guys. Okay, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create broken glass effect using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.